In this video, we'll show you how to create your own 360-degree virtual tour of a property. In order to do this, all you need to do is log into your EyeSpy360 account and click on the Add Tour button. Now, simply give your tour a name and click on Add Tour. Once you have done this, click on the Upload button to select whichever 360-degree panoramas you wish to add to your tour. As you can see, this will now process your photos, where they are transformed using our patent-pending algorithm to create 360-degree panoramas that we call donuts. Our platform is also automatically adding your logo to each image if you are on one of our Pro plans, and these logos can be changed at any time from within the settings section of your account. Once each donut has been created, you can rename it by clicking Edit. Change the name and click Save. These names will become the labels displayed above the hotspots within your virtual tour. Then spend a few moments organising, resizing and orientating each donut into the desired positions before proceeding. Donuts provide you with a complete top-down view of your 360 panoramas, allowing you to see any doors or exit points in each panorama, and enabling you to easily link them together to create your virtual tour, as you will see next. All you need to do to link two donuts together is click on the Link button and draw a line between them to connect each entry and exit point. For example, a door between two 360 panoramas. The points where these lines touch the donut will become the hotspots that you will click on to move from room to room. Repeat this process for the remaining panoramas until you have connected all the rooms. Don't worry too much about how accurately you do this here, as you will then have the opportunity to move the hotspots to exactly where you want them. Click on 360 View and place the hotspots at average eye height to make the tour flow smoothly. Once you have checked you are happy with your tour, click Publish. Now you are able to adjust some settings. You can choose whether your tour auto-rotates, always, never, or just in the first room. You can show the names of the rooms above the hotspots, or you can turn this off. You can display the tour name and room in the bottom left corner, or you can choose to hide this. And you can also turn EyeSpy Live on or off, or choose to auto-start your EyeSpy Play pre-recorded video when a viewer clicks on your virtual tour. Now click on your tour URL to preview your virtual tour and make sure you are happy with it. If you wish to unpublish a tour at any time, click the Details button in the top toolbar of your tour editor. Click Unpublish and then confirm by clicking OK. This tour will still remain in your account, but when somebody clicks on the URL, they will now see this message. You can, of course, republish it again at a later date with a new URL.